What's up, everybody? So we asked ChatGPT, what are the top 10 cryptos to invest in right now on July 30th, 2024? And these 10 cryptos were listed by ChatGPT. I want to go through this list, talk about the pros and cons that ChatGPT has mentioned, and I'm going to add my thoughts and opinions on all of these cryptos as well. So if you like the sounds of that, well, it's real easy. Reciprocate by subscribing to the channel and smashing the like button down below. It's totally free to do so. You know, it's crazy to me that 50% of you watching this video right now won't click the like button and won't click the subscribe button. Guys, I've been rocking with you guys in the cryptocurrency space since 2020. I put out videos every single day. You can rely on me to deliver that, and you're gonna find some things interesting. I'm going to help you navigate this crazy crypto journey and give you some perspectives that you may not find elsewhere. So again, subscribe down below if you have not already. And as always, none of this is financial advice. I am just a retail investor like you who decided to go full-time with crypto in 2021 thanks to a couple big wins. And ever since then, I have continued to learn every single day. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys, and talk about the top 10 cryptos selected by ChatGPT. And some of the various factors they used. Let's just start with this: risk tolerance, investment horizon, and market conditions. So I will say this, all of these cryptos are listed in the top 100. I'm not sure that ChatGPT goes and, dumpster dives into the deep world of meme coins, which we do here on this channel. We do that as well. But I want to highlight some of these, give you guys my thoughts. Now, number one and number two should be no surprise. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they make up roughly 70% of the overall market. I've talked about this before. This is the backbone in my personal portfolio. I want to make a big chunk of my portfolio Bitcoin and Ethereum and hold these assets for the long term. These are assets that I kind of treat like a 401k. They give me that alternative asset class, but also longevity. So obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum have similar pros and cons. Bitcoin is looked at as digital gold by many people in the industry. Of course, you have to be ready for the volatility of price action. Same thing can be said with Ethereum. Now, what separates Ethereum from Bitcoin right now is it's the leading smart contract platform. Now, Bitcoin is bringing smart contracts and DeFi to their arena as well through companies like Stacks and others. But for right now, Ethereum is the leader, and they both have ETFs in many parts of the world, which also just adds to their credence and their legitimacy as the top two assets, which make up 70% of the overall market. Number three is BNB. Interesting selection here from ChatGPT. It's a utility token for the Binance Exchange, which is the largest exchange in the world. The cons are that it's centralized and it's controlled by Binance, and there are regulatory concerns depending on where you are in the world, especially if you're in the United States. I do hold some BNB, but I don't look to accumulate this one often. I just hold some because, either to get into anything that's on the Binance Smart Chain, you need to have BNB to transact. And B, I think overall, it's just something to have a little bit of because it will go up with the overall market. And it actually was the first crypto to set a new all-time high or get back to its previous one of the top large caps to do so in this cycle already. Number four is Cardano. And I like that ChatGPT had mentioned Cardano here. This is a top 5 holding of mine. Many people like to poke fun at Cardano, saying that it doesn't move, it's a stable coin. But go back to last cycle, they said the same things, and it was a late mover and bloomer, and it did really, really well. There's focus on scalability and sustainability, which is kind of a play off of what Ethereum focuses on. And there's a strong academic backing with hopes to get into governments and educational systems with Cardano. Definitely slower development compared to Ethereum and some of the other top competitors, but that is why Cardano is a long-term play for me. Solana, I've been actively accumulating this one as well. And this is a top 10 holding of mine at the moment. Pros, high throughput, low transaction costs, and it's a growing ecosystem. Cons, network outages have been an issue, hopefully an issue of the past though, and it's still relatively new and unproven compared to some of its competitors, but Solana has gained market share quickly and I do think Solana is going to perform extremely well in this bull cycle. Polkadot has definitely been forgotten about here in the past few years. Now, the pros are interoperability between blockchains. Cons, complex technology, still developing ecosystem. And I would also say just a lack of marketing and or community with Polkadot. The tech is phenomenal, but what they lack is that strong backing from the retail side of things. But I do think Polkadot will still perform well, given that I think the price is severely depressed from where it should or could be. So I do think it's undervalued at these levels. But number 7 is probably even more undervalued than Polkadot, and that is Chainlink, guys. The pros here, it's the leading decentralized Oracle network. It's also massively embedded into the real-world asset tokenization model. It's crucial for DeFi. It is the link that is linking a lot of blockchains together. It is dependent on smart contract adoption, though. But if you believe smart contracts are here to stay and Ethereum is going to be a leader there, well, then Chainlink is, I think, one of the most undervalued assets on the market today. I agree with ChatGPT here, putting Chainlink in the top 10 of cryptos to invest in. Next up is Avalanche, and we're almost there, guys. If you haven't hit the like button, definitely do so. And as we get closer to the end of this video and as we wrap it up, give your thoughts down below if you agree with this sentiment or if there's something that you think should be on this list. Let me know down below in the comments. But AVAX has high speed, low transactions. They're also getting into RWA, specifically in the real estate angle side of things. They're also getting heavy into gaming. Avalanche has had a growing ecosystem for a while now. They also have a partnership with Amazon Web Services that not a lot of people talk about. Strong DeFi presence, definitely high upside play here for Avalanche. They are competing with other smart contract platforms. Obviously, they're going to feel volatility like the rest of the market. But Avalanche is another one severely undervalued right now, in my opinion, and it could be a really good play in this upcoming bull cycle. Remember, Solana and Avalanche both launched in the 2021 bull run in terms of moving up the charts, and I think that was just the initial surge. I think they're going to have another big push this crypto bull market, especially when altcoin season comes to fruition. Number 9 is Polygon Matic. Now, it is a top layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, lower transaction costs. They also have done a ton to bridge the gap from Web 2 to Web 3. They do kind of lack a community spirit a little bit, and they are dependent on Ethereum's success. There's no, ifs about that. There's competition from other layer 2s now, though, as well, with Arbitrum and Optimism. But I do think Polygon, like Chainlink right now, severely undervalued. It has been forgotten about. It did perform a lot better, as did Chainlink, in the bear market. Maybe that's why it's lagging a little bit here in the bull run. And I think they will be some late bloomers alongside Cardano as we get heating up. And number 10 is Litecoin. Faster block generation than Bitcoin. It is widely accepted. I don't think this one could be slept on entirely, simply because it has always been listed as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. It has been around for a really long time, and there's a lot of great things happening on Litecoin. We just don't really hear about it. Now, there is limited technological innovation compared to newer projects with Litecoin, but it is proof of work. It is one of those cryptos that has solidified itself. It has longevity, and I could see a Litecoin ETF in the future simply because of this fact alone. Now, ChatGPT mentions here at the end, it is important to conduct through research and consider factors like the team behind the project, technology, use case, market trends. And I really want to focus there on market trends, right? Where is the space going? Because that's where money is flowing. Where is the space going? Because that's where money's flowing. Keep an eye on the hot button issues, hot button topics like AI, robotics, RWA, DPIN. These type of narratives are going to stay hot, and meme coins, it seems like they're going to stay hot forever. But diversifying your portfolio and staying updated with the latest developments in the crypto space can definitely keep you on the cutting edge of which top cryptos are best to be had in your portfolio. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Links down below to Margex if you guys are interested in checking that out. These are some affiliates that I have, great places to trade, and BITUNIX as well. We just partnered up with them They are out of Dubai. Great platform. So happy to be partnered up with BITUNIX. We're running a special offer right now. Nice little sign-on bonus when you sign up with my BITUNIX link down below. And if you're not yet on Margex, this is a phenomenal platform to get onto as well for leverage trading. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.